Hey everyone, in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to solve the Rubik's Magic puzzle. Ready? Let's go! The Rubik's Magic puzzle is a mechanical puzzle invented by Ernie Rubik, and it is made by Matchbox in the mid-1980s. This puzzle consists of 8 black square tiles arranged in a 2x4 rectangle. Now when you touch the tiles, you will find diagonal grooves on them, which hold wires that connect the tiles together. This also allows us to be able to fold, unfold, and twist the tiles. When you first unbox this puzzle, the puzzle will be in its original state. You'll find 3 separate rings like this on its front, and at the back you will see scrambled rings. The objective of this puzzle is to fold the puzzle into a heart-like shape, and these 3 separate rings will be interconnected as shown in the picture here. To make it easy for you to remember the moves, I've created a set of notations for this Rubik's Magic puzzle. Alright, let's see how my notations work. So first, when your puzzle is folded like this, it creates 2 layers to the puzzle. So when you need to move the top layer, it will be indicated by the letter T. As for the bottom layer, you'll be indicated by the letter B. Next, we have U for up when you flip your puzzle towards this direction, and D for down when you flip your puzzle towards the opposite directions. In addition, we also have L when you flip your puzzle towards the left, and we have R when you flip your puzzle towards the right. Lastly, when you see a numeric 2 at the back of the notation, it means that you will flip 2 layers together. So as an example, TU2 will mean to flip the top 2 layers towards the up direction together. Alright, all set. Now let's try to solve the Rubik's Magic puzzle with an algorithm. You will first hold the puzzle with 2 hands, like so, and make sure that the logo is at the bottom right side here. The first step is twist. To do the twist, you will bring your 2 thumbs towards each other, like so. Okay, now follow my hand's action to twist the puzzle. You probably have to try it a few times to get used to it, but once you're accustomed to it, you'll be able to do the twist naturally. Once you have correctly twisted your puzzle, the rest of the steps will be easy. Just follow along with me as we go through the algorithm. So first, we have TU, then TL, TU again, then followed by TU2. With that, we have completed all the top folds. Next, we'll complete the remaining 3 bottom layer moves, and then the puzzle will be solved. Here's how it goes. BR, then BU, and lastly BR. Flip your puzzle over, and you'll see 3 interconnected rings, and your puzzle is solved. Alright, now that you have learned how to solve the Rubik's magic puzzle, but how do you put it back to its original state? It is very easy, so just follow along with me. To begin, hold your puzzle like so. The first notation of the algorithm is L. Then TU, followed by TL, then TD. Next, we have TR, then TD again. If you have completed the previous steps correctly, your puzzle will now look like this in a 2x4 rectangular shape. But we are not quite done yet. We have one final step to go. First, hold your puzzle with two hands and make sure that the logo is now on the bottom third tile from the left, like so. Then remember the twist move that we have learned earlier. You will apply 3 times starting with this position. Then your puzzle will be solved. Here's how it goes. 1, 2, 3. With that, you have successfully restored your puzzle to its original state. We have come to the end of this tutorial, and I hope you liked this video. If you'd like to support me on YouTube, do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.